This right here is my Nissan S13 Silvia that I bought months ago. Now the plan with this car is to rip out all the old sound deadening, replace it with new stuff. I still have to acquire a lot of parts like pedals, dash, center console, seats, carpets, seat belts, just small things like that. But you can still buy all new, which is why I'm not too worried about it missing a lot of the things. I know you can do push button start, keyless entry and stuff like that. So all the things that are missing can be easily replaced. The idea is to completely rebuild this car into a cool street/drift car, which will take a while. But in today's video, we are going to be putting in the front tubs, just so I can get it registered and put it on the street. I know it's probably not ideal for a drift car to have tubs, but I think overall it will make the car look a lot nicer. The car is white, has rolled fenders on both sides. They look pretty bad. So I'd like to try and get a Origin Labo wide body. Interior has literally nothing inside. The only bit of wiring is on the roof. Has like some stuff in the trunk. But yeah, it's very bare, it has nothing. So it's just a matter of collecting parts. And pretty much everything that's on the car or missing is getting replaced with new body panels and stuff like that. I'll have a new bonnet, fenders, bumper. Doors I do have, they're just currently getting primed. I just don't have them in the shed. Other than that, the car is, I just kind of wanted to take you through and trying to show the process of how I weld the tubs in and give that a go and see how well I can do the other side. This is the welder that I'm currently using. Pretty old school, got it for free, so not going to complain. So just pretty much at the moment trying to get the shape of the old tub that I got that had the battery tray on it that I cut out. Trying to get it to match the shape that's already been cut out. Quite a lot, pretty scary, but we got it done. But I just got to get it to match the shape, which I haven't really done too well. Good thing I can fill a lot of the holes up with more material. Probably not the best idea, but and then we can finally get the engine bay primed. So after a bit of grinding and cutting, finally got it shaped up. I'm about to hit it with some weld through primer, just in case. Hopefully nothing rust anymore, but we'll get that sealed up and try and I'll probably end up cutting this out here and plating that just so I don't have to fill up all these little random holes. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's get the welder. So it looks like I forgot to put a good ground in for the welder. So quickly do that and then we'll get to welding the tubs in. Go ahead and lay the first tack. It's always crazy how much this fucking moves. Now already just with those few tacks, the panel has moved so much, just because it is so thin. It's just like a constant hammer and dolly, and literally just trying to close it all up. It does move so much that it's just very hard to get right, but we'll keep going and see how it turns out. Whew, that's already solid. All right, we're done. Well, I'm gonna go through, finish welding that up. I'll update you guys if there's any more obstacles, but I don't wanna ruin the mic with welding. So yeah, I'll update you when I'm done. All right, so this is day 2 working on the S13. Carrying on from yesterday, I got most of the tub tacked in place. So I'll finish that up today and hopefully get the rest of this tub welded in, and then we can do some body filler from then. All right, so finally got the other side welded in. It's definitely not the prettiest, but it is pretty secure in there at the moment. There was some very crazy gaps that I had to try and fill. So I'll probably hit this with the grinder, and then probably body fill. If you guys have any ideas of what I should use other than body filler, drop them in the comments. Now, there is a few holes that I still need to go through and weld up. So that will be quite a busy job. With the interior, there was like a previous handbrake mount installed there that I have to redo. And same with the lines that they started to run. Now, with this car being a drift car, it is currently white. If you guys have any idea of what we should paint it, the idea is to put a livery on it with a few brands that, if I can get sponsored, that would be the plan. But yeah, if you guys have any idea of what we should paint it, put it in the comments below. If you guys have any idea of what body kit I should also run on the car, let me know. I was thinking with the Origin Labo and running the 55mm wide over fenders. Not sure about the front fenders, but I'm thinking vented bonnet, and the Origin Labo street kit, I think it is, for the side skirts, front bar and rear bar. Now, I'd definitely like to get the engine bay painted as soon as possible, but I got to figure out what engine I'm going to be putting in the car. At this point, it is a JZ. I'm not sure what type, either 1J or 2J, whatever I can find on Marketplace cheap enough. Once I've got the engine, I can then kind of work out what needs to be cut out and what can fit. I believe I have to do a modification to the rad support to fit the radiator to notch it back if we are going 6-cylinder. But thanks for watching the first video on the series. If you guys want to see more, then make sure you like and subscribe. Definitely keen to record some more of these type of episodes. And yeah, make sure you follow along for more of the build series.